So we'll start with a slip knot, and then chain 3. Next, yarn over, insert the hook in the first chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the crochet hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop only, and that creates the chain stitch. Next, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. For the next foundation double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain stitch I mentioned earlier, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook at this point, yarn over, pull through the first loop only, and that's the another chain stitch, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on the hook.